Decoding Everyday Phrases. You look familiar. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you might hear in English-speaking countries. You look familiar. Understanding these everyday phrases can greatly improve your conversational skills and help you feel more at ease in social situations. So, let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and learn how to use it properly in conversations. When someone says, "You look familiar," they're essentially telling you that they think they have seen you before, but they're not entirely sure where or when. It's a way of expressing a vague recognition of someone's face or appearance without being able to pinpoint the exact context of where you might have met them. This phrase can be used in various situations, from casual encounters to professional settings, and it often serves as a conversation starter. Casual encounters. In casual settings, such as parties, social gatherings, or even while running errands, saying, "You look familiar," is a friendly way to approach someone you think you've met before. It opens up the opportunity for the other person to share more about themselves, potentially jogging your memory about how you know them. Professional settings. In professional environments, this phrase can be used as a polite icebreaker, especially if you think you've met someone at a conference, workshop, or previous business meeting. It's a gentle way of acknowledging a potential past meeting without the pressure of remembering all the details immediately. Responding to, "You look familiar." If someone says you look familiar, a good response would be to help them remember where you might have met. You can mention places you frequent, recent events you've attended, or simply express that you're not sure but you're pleased to meet them regardless. While "you look familiar" is generally considered a harmless and friendly phrase, it's important to use it with a sense of cultural sensitivity. Remember, some people might be cautious about privacy or wary of talking to strangers. Always approach the conversation with respect and be ready to change the topic if the other person seems uncomfortable. Understanding phrases like, "You look familiar," can significantly enhance your conversational English and help you navigate social situations more smoothly. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and respond to this common phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content to aid your English language learning journey. Remember, every phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency. See you in the next video.